Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Fudgy. David and I rarely eat desserts unless we have company over. Once in a blue moon though, we get that craving, and to satisfy our sweet tooth, I bake something. It can be a nice apple cheese pie, chocolate eclairs, carrot cake, chocolate mint Nanaimo bars, dulce de leche cupcakes, or even this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my fudgy brownies. Now, this is what I call chocolate indulgence. This is such an amazing homemade recipe. Rich, moist, and chocolatey. These are the best ones you'll ever have. This is a decadent snack you definitely have to make. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a mixing bowl, we'll add all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and lots of it. By the way, the brand I use is this one, and it's amazing. Then baking powder and ground sea salt. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended and set aside for now. Next, in another bowl, we'll add a couple eggs and beat them well before adding melted butter, whisking constantly. If your butter is too warm, you might end up with scrambled eggs, so make sure you have it at room temperature. To this, we'll add brown sugar and vanilla sugar, which I showed you how to make it a couple years ago. If you missed the episode, click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. Plus vanilla extract. We'll stir very well until everything is combined. Now, we'll add the egg mixture to the dry ingredients and also some chopped walnuts, which are optional but highly recommended. So we'll stir well to blend all the ingredients together until we have a nice batter. We'll transfer it to an 8x8 baking dish that has been well greased and floured. Using a spatula, we'll level the batter out, and yes, it is quite thick, but we'll do our best. We'll gently tap the dish on the counter to compact the batter and transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 25 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. We'll allow the cake to cool off. There won't be brownies without a nice icing on top, so let's make one. Although I don't like doing that, we'll sift the icing sugar into a bowl. It makes the icing smoother. We'll do the same with cocoa powder. To this, we'll add melted butter, corn syrup. If you want to make it homemade, click on the top right corner of your screen to get the recipe, and pure vanilla extract. We'll blend the ingredients nicely, and as we do that, we'll pour in some heavy cream a little at a time until desired consistency. I normally use only 1 tablespoon. When the cake is cool enough but still slightly warm, which makes it easier to do, we'll add the icing and level it out with a spatula. And my friends, these are our fudgy brownies. If you love chocolate, here's a great recipe to have on hand. With some added crunch from the walnuts, these are decadent and delicious. Soft, moist, and tender, this is a delicious sweet treat to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfudgy.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!